A solid mass of natural stone, with walls about 30 centimeters thick, seems to emerge as if rooted in the landscape. This is the opening gesture of the rock house. The solidity of the stone contrasts with the lightness of the floor-to-ceiling glass, suggesting a refuge where the built and the natural coexist in harmony. The house is located on the outskirts of Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat, India. The site is covered with mature trees that serve as a natural sunshade, casting shadows along the paths and around the edges of the building. About 3/4 of the plot remain unbuilt, preserving the existing vegetation and promoting biodiversity in the surroundings. The H-shaped plan organizes two main volumes connected by a central space. One houses the social areas, living, dining, and kitchen, while the other contains the private spaces. Walls of locally sourced yellow drangadra stone, about 30 centimeters thick, maintain the material in its raw state. Exposed concrete slabs and ceilings contrast with the texture of the stone, adding solidity to the composition. The entrance begins with a narrow corridor that leads to the front volume and continues toward the central garden. The transparency of the glass creates a visual and physical connection with the exterior, while the facade facing the street remains more closed, providing privacy. From furniture to finishes, natural and local materials predominate reclaimed wood, Kota stone, rope, and jute in an earthy color palette that echoes the landscape. Gardens and a reflecting pool flank the social area, creating a seamless continuity between indoors and outdoors. Here, the house does not end where the glass begins, it extends into the garden. The trees and surrounding vegetation act as a natural extension of the built space. Rock House shows how architecture can yield to nature without losing its presence. A simple yet powerful composition where stone, glass, light, and shadow combine to create a space that breathes. Living here is both retreat and dialogue with the natural world. Its strength lies in what it reveals and in what it keeps in silence.